Hello everybody, in this video I will discuss two exam questions on algebraic fractions. Example 1, simplify. So since the terms are being separated by two minuses, this one is the algebraic fractions where you're going to find the LCD. So we're going to start by looking at the denominator, and there you find a 4x and a 2x. So your LCD will definitely be 4x. Now you go back to each term individually and you're going to multiply so that your denominator becomes a 4x. On 1, you're going to multiply by 4x over 4x. This term is already over 4x. And the last term, you only need to multiply with a 2 over a 2. Then, in your next step, what happened was 1 times 4x is 4x, and then I add brackets around the x minus 4 since I'm going to multiply in the minus in the next step. And then what I did on the last term was now you take the 2 to the front and you also add brackets. So what I'm going to do in the next steps is I put everything over 4x, the denominator, the LCD, and then 4x is this 4x, and now I'm going to say a minus times x is minus x, a minus times a minus is plus 4. And then regarding the 2, minus 2 times x is minus 2x, minus 2 times y is minus 2. Then in the next step, I'm going to add all my like terms. So 4x minus x is 3x, minus 2x is just x, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Therefore, the answer, x plus 2 over 4x. Example 2, simplify. So now you find a division sign, and then you know you're not going to find the LCD. This is the type of sum where you're going to factorize so that in the end you can cancel out. Already on your first term, your problem is that the 6 minus 3b is not in the correct order. The b has to be in front. And then what you do is you write it as minus 3b plus 6. And then you're going to turn the division into a times, and remember the term to the right of the division sign, this is the one that you're going to swap. In the next step now, I'm going to take this and I'm going to factorize the denominator. I'm going to pull out minus 3 as a common factor. And then the next term on top there at the numerator, I'm going to take out 2 as a common factor. And then here on the denominator, you say that when you factorize that, you say the factors of 2 are 2 and 1. I want the middle term to be plus 1. So how can 2 and 1 give me plus 1? Plus 2 minus 1. And then you add a b there and you add a b there and you put brackets around them. So in the next step you will find on the numerator 2 bracket b minus 2 and at the denominator b plus 2 b minus 1. So now everything is factorized. Now I can cancel out. So the whole b plus 2 cancels with the whole b plus 2. The whole b minus 2 cancels with the whole b minus 2. And then I'm left on the numerator with a 2 and at the denominator minus 3 bracket b minus 1. And then I can also multiply in the minus 3 and multiply in the minus 1. And I end with 2 over minus 3b plus 3. I have a question for you. Have you subscribed yet? And please like my video, and you are very welcome to leave a comment. In the next video, I will discuss 2 more exam questions on algebraic fractions. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.